Prime Minister Narendra Modi underlined India's efforts in helping countries across the world get access to COVID-19 vaccine. He was speaking in a virtual summit with his Finnish counterpart, Sanna Marin. India has taken care of the needs of the world along with its domestic struggle during the coronavirus pandemic, the Prime Minister said. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has assured that not all banks will be privatized and wherever it happens, the interest of the employees will be protected. Addressing the media amid a two-day nationwide bank strike called by 9 unions against the proposed privatization, she said, "The decision of privatization is a well-thought-out decision. We want banks to get more equity. We want banks to meet the aspirations of the country." Prime Minister Narendra Modi's principal advisor PK Sinha has resigned, reportedly citing personal grounds. The former cabinet secretary was with the Prime Minister's office for 18 months. With no more details so far, the exit of one of the Prime Minister's most trusted aides has raised eyebrows. The post of principal advisor to Prime Minister was created to accommodate Sinha in the Prime Minister's office in 2019. The Medical Termination of Pregnancy Amendment Bill 2020 was passed in Rajya Sabha on Tuesday, paving the way for easy abortion up to 20 weeks. The bill also provides for setting up of state-level medical boards to decide if a pregnancy may be terminated after 24 weeks in cases of substantial fetal abnormalities. The bill was passed in March last year in the Lok Sabha. Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee upped her attack on the BJP today, questioning if the Election Commission's move to remove her security in charge was part of a conspiracy to kill her. Pointing a finger at Union Home Minister Amit Shah, she said, "Will the Union Home Minister run the country or hatch conspiracy to harass us in Bengal? Is the BJP hatching conspiracy to kill me? The Election Commission has even removed my Director of Security." Former Congress leader PC Chacko joined the Nationalist Congress Party on Tuesday. "I am formally joining the NCP today. NCP is part of the Left Democratic Front in Kerala. Once again, I am back in the LDF as a part of NCP," news agencies quoted Chacko as saying. Swapan Dasgupta has resigned as a Rajya Sabha MP after the Bharatiya Janata Party fielded him as a party candidate in the West Bengal Assembly elections. Swapan Dasgupta sent his resignation to the Rajya Sabha chairperson Venkaiah Naidu on Tuesday. In a tweet, Swapan Dasgupta said he has resigned to commit to the fight for a better Bengal.